What's happening? Look at this. Hannah, look.
No.
There she's coming behind me. Okay, but I'll give you without water. Is that fine? Is that fine?
Why?
Because no water. You will make mess, है no?
What?
Please.
Yes.
Give mommy kissy. What she is doing, she is skipping every time and here अभी थोड़ी सी बड़ी हो गई है तो क्या करती है यहाँ पर प्रेस करती है और उस तरह से पानी निकालती है and then she go and play. I mean I don't know now what to do. See so much water she is wasting every time. No removing water more. That's it enough. Please. Please. Say okay mama.
Yay.
Waste the water.
Why?
Water wasting not good है no? My God. No, no.
Dad.
No, no.
Dad.
No, no. No, no, I said no. No, 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 no. No, no. No, no. Waste of water, I know. Mama will be angry. Take. Come on, go. Sit there outside and play. You come again, Hannah. No, that's hot. That's hot. Bad. Come, we'll put pony for you. Come on. Come on, let's put pony for you.
No.
Why? We'll comb your hair, Hannah. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. Where's your comb? Show me. Where's your comb? Show me where's your comb. Come on, come on. Show me where's your comb. Whoa. Comb. Where is your comb in your cupboard? Where's your cupboard? She knows everything. Show where's your cupboard. Okay. Okay. And where's the comb? There it is. Again.
Ponytail.
Is it hot, Daddy?
No, it's frozen. Ice fell over there. In Tubli, ice is falling.
I can see the snow is on your face.
Yeah, ice is falling outside.
जल्दी जल्दी करने के चक्कर में मैं निकाल रही थी अपना what you call it as चॉपर ऊपर से ये वाला जो चीज़ है ऊपर से नीचे गिर गया अभी पता नहीं चलेगा भी या नहीं चल रहा है। आज बन रहा है चिकन जो कि मैंने अगेन ऑनलाइन ही ऑर्डर किया था और इसमें डिसएडवांटेज ये है कि चिकन जो है होल आता है इसको कट करके नहीं आता है हाथ दुख जाते हैं जब कट करना पड़ता है तो मुझे आज करना ही पड़ा बिकॉज हस्बैंड वाज नॉट अवेलेबल इन द हाउस टुडे ही जस्ट केम। बाहर इतनी गर्मी है ना इस टाइम पर ट्रैवल करना तो आई विल नॉट एवर मैंने कुकिंग स्टार्ट की एंड आधे घंटे में खाना बन। कुकिंग करने में टाइम नहीं जाता है टाइम जाता है सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रिपरेशन करने के। Hannah going to eat food?
Yes.
My God. Hannah going to eat food?
No.
Why?
No.
Drink your rice. Or a little cheese.
Check fast, check. SSD.
Oh, what a classic.
Store, edit and curate large photos, video libraries at blazing fast speed.
Okay,
Let's see.
let's see.
This is your one more chance to use the Mac. Yeah?
Baba is laughing.
We will try.
We will try.
Bring the Mac.
Otherwise, you will take it.
Bring the Mac, come on.
Otherwise, you will take it back.
Hold it, you will feel like, oh,
Oh, I don't feel it is like hard disk only. Whoa, Hannah.
It is bigger than that laptop you have to connect. This is bigger than that.
you will
This
put
sorted.
and connect on, and that also you can copy Blazing. So first you have to copy it from there actually. Bring your data, go. And you can hack it, man. It's not a weight also.
What's the
Oh,
password?
yeah, that was the
What is the password? What's
password
the
is secret. I cannot tell.
Chalo, fast, check it out. Hi, Hannah. You're not sleeping?
You all do it.
Wait, it come
Check.
on.
47 minutes, yeah.
That date was showing us 47 minutes and now it's just showing us 4 minutes.
Blazing fast.
Fast speed. No need to carry like a big hard drives what we used to have before. No?
Slowly things are changing.
Just put in your one pocket and this is so fast.
18 GB copied, 20 GB
The same
copied.
data when we copied last time from the other hard drive, which was, no? It was
Yeah,
47 minutes.
yeah.
One by one you were copying, I remember.
Yeah. So each one was showing 47 like this.
And now it is just 4 minutes. We can't even believe this.
Now she will tell us the story.
After 2 days I'm sitting again with Mac because 2 days back when I was editing, इतनी ज़्यादा problem हो गई कि I just told him that I don't want this Mac. It's just because of the hard drive. So finally he bought again the external hard drive, which is I think very fast, and I cannot believe this is too small. That too small like a pen drive. So now we are editing by using that.
And we brought a one more SSD hard drive. Started today working. Hopefully now it was,
Now it's fine.
It is better, right?
Yeah, it is
But still she's telling that Windows is better. Okay, so today there is a good things, and hopefully maybe we need to buy one more keyboard mouse so it is more easy for her to edit.
Now Hannah has become so big that she reach everywhere. Yeah, Hannah? Now we are going to do most important thing, that's we are going to open the windows because बाहर की humidity इतनी ज़्यादा है, but we need a fresh air as my husband says. So let's open and check if humidity is coming or no. इतने ages से we have never opened the window almost, yeah? No humidity? Yeah, little bit,
There is
little
humidity.
bit. There is. Only you come to know when you open the put head out. As मैं बैठी थी editing करने के लिए, पहले मैंने ये बना कर रख दिया था, तो it's a tea time, so the kids can have this. I must say this on the camera. Thank you so much, my love. The reason why I'm saying thank you so much is he was supposed to have a sleep in the afternoon because he's having work in the night. So he's going to have a work in the night, like overnight. I don't know how much time he's going to. He left the sleep. He went all the way to the mall in the hot sun. Obviously, the car was very hot, definitely. And he bought the hard disk for me.
Just because of Mama.
Just to make me smile. Not struggle with the hard disk. Thank you, baby. And here, Hannah is eating. Hannah is eating all these things. Yeah, Hannah? Are you eating all of that? And we started using her chair again. After long time.
This chair having a middle, I don't know whether it's an advantage or disadvantage.
It is an advantage because otherwise these people will come down from here.
Otherwise you have to tie that, right?
Yeah.
Put that ribbon, no?
Yeah. No, it's
Okay.
still having this for this also, but now she's become big, no?
She will put all the bowls down. See, Hannah.
Look, Hannah. Expression of Hannah. Kaka.
She
We are
made
gonna put down for your friend. For your Monty friend, we're gonna put pamper. Okay, Hannah?
Well, she was going to put the spoon for a mustache.
Yay! She's with the pamper. Me. तो हमारे घर में बहुत धमासान क्लीनिंग चल रही है. And Hannah is the one who is messing everything. You guys know we do not have a maid. We decided that we are only going to clean the house as a team. So daddy is mopping, daddy is vacuuming. Mama is mopping and Hetam is cleaning all the toys which he have made mess full day. So this is how we work every day, every evening. So morning becomes little bit easier. So today also the same, and Hannah's work.
Did you just make trouble?
Yes. As we are cleaning, she keep on making the mess again and again. And that is a bad idea, Nanu. You are showing her because she will do the same thing as you are doing. And थोड़े से यहाँ पर बर्तन है जिसको मैं wash कर लूँगी. Take care. See you soon. What are you making?
Pineapple juice.
Juice or tank? Dad is gone to work and we are all alone over here. And I just had bath ताकि मेरा bathing का जो time है वो भी complete हो जाए. Because I cannot leave these guys all alone over here.
Mama.
It's time to trouble Mama. And today night, today is Thursday.
Today we're going to watch a movie.
Pineapple tang, not that good, no?
Yeah.
It's like sour, like taste.
Yeah, very sour.
So we're going to watch one movie in the night. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, Dada. If Dada comes, it's good.
Hopefully Dada will come back soon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Peekaboo! Every weekend I tell Hetam to select the movie and he gives me our option of the same movies which we have already watched ages ago. Because in a day if you tell him to watch 2 times also same movie he'll watch. This you watch in the morning.
Alright, that was another one. That was 4 seasons. This is a movie.
Okay, anyways guys, we're going to watch our movie now. We are going to start one of the movies. So we're going to end our vlog here only. We will see you guys in our next vlog.
No.
Till then, take care and
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.